All right, I got caught off in that last problem, but to finish that example, -3 minus 3 was -6x, so I wrote that there, and then those crossed out, and I had my +9, so that is my answer. Again, if I would have done box method, I would have gotten the same. So we're gonna do one more example so that I can move a little bit slower and take my time, but I'm gonna do example 5. I did do example 4 on the notes, and so please check my answer key that I will post for you. But let's do example 5, and I do believe that a lot of you will prefer the box method, and if you don't prefer it and you wanna do FOIL, that's fine, but for this example, I'm gonna do the box method again. And I have x plus 7, x minus 7. So remember, one of them is gonna go along the top. I have x plus 7, and then another one's going to go along the side, x minus 7. Then you multiply inside. I'm going to do x times x and put that answer in my first box. So x times x, you know now, memorize it. X times x is x squared. Okay? Then I have 7 times x. 7 times x, that answer is going to go in there. 7 times x is 7x. Oops, I would like for that to be blue, if possible. 7x. Then I have -7 times x in this box. That's just -7x. And then -7 times 7, please make sure you use your calculator. That is -49. Once I put everything in the box, I'm going to rewrite it all in a nice line. All in a nice line. So I have x squared plus 7x minus 7x minus 49. Keep the signs with them. This was a -x, so that's got to be a -x there. Okay? Then remember, really only your middle terms are going to combine. So I have x squared, that's along for the ride. Nothing happened with that. Then 7x minus 7x. I need to combine positive 7x minus 7x. So let's do the work over here. Those are like terms. They both have a variable of x and a no visible exponent. So 7x minus 7x. Remember, you just do the math. You're just going to do the math with the numbers. So I have 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So 0x. So plus 0x. Those are gone. Minus 49. It's okay for you to have 0. Now pay attention to this very carefully. It's not wrong if you got 0x. That's right. It's not wrong if you put 0x, but it's not very visually pleasing. We don't usually put 0x there. Those 0x's, that means we have no x's. So we don't necessarily write it. We would have x squared, pretend that's not there because it's not, minus 49. But if you put 0x because it keeps you organized, that is fine. It's not necessarily wrong, but you don't also have to put it. Again, please check my answer key for any of the other examples in the work as well. I post that as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Please go to your Go Formative now and do the extra 3 problems that I have added. This is due Sunday night.